But first, let me introduce my good friend Ivan Ong. Ivan has generated multiple 8 figures in over 10 marketplaces on Amazon over the past few years. He is extremely advanced and up to date in his advertising knowledge, and he is always on the lookout for new ways to grow his business. So when he came to know about this one little known strategy and implemented it across all the 10 countries, his sales quickly shot up. I call it the 1-minute strategy to grow your sales. In this first ever video series, you are going to learn the concepts behind this strategy. Then we are going to show you step by step how to quickly deploy this into your business today. But first, I have good news for you. My team and I have always been on the forefront, testing and innovating new strategies. Collectively, we have done multiple 8 figures in sales over the last few years and have helped over 100 brand owners grow their businesses around the globe. In the next few days, I will be releasing some of the most potent strategies, insights, and real-world knowledge that will help you understand the direction you need to focus right now in order to build a bigger business. So if you are looking to understand how to take things to the next level over the next 12 months, you are going to love this video series. With that said, let's dive into our first lesson. Amazon has different tiers of traffic. What I mean is this: if you are selling resistance bands, these may be some of the different search terms that may be relevant to your product. We may start wondering, what keyword should I target to be profitable? What is the optimum bid? Am I overbidding or am I underbidding? So to answer those questions, I have a proposal. Firstly, you want to leverage onto the latest cutting-edge machine learning technology. Secondly, you want to tap onto the biggest and most reliable data source. So can you guess the best platform for that? The answer is Amazon. Obvious, right? Let's go straight to the source to tap on Amazon's AI, machine learning capability, and their big data to do all the research for us. However, there's a problem. If you create an automatic campaign with a $1 default bid, you may only be able to access a very small subset of their overall traffic. What if you can convert and rank on keywords at the 140 range? Or what if you can profit upfront on keywords at the 50 cents range? The solution to this is actually very simple. You simply create multiple automatic campaigns with varying default bids. This will help you to cover a much wider spectrum of traffic. Simple concept, right? But before you think it's too much of a hassle to create all the campaigns, remember this is the 1-minute strategy. This is not the 1-hour strategy. So obviously, there's going to be shortcut. But before that, there are 3 things that you should be doing every day if you want to improve your campaign performance. I'm going to show you the manual way to do it first. Then I'm going to show you the really cool way to do it. Number 1. If you are getting high ACoS or not getting any sales for any campaign, you pause that campaign. Let's say if I just want to keep campaigns below 30% ACoS, I will pause the 4 here since they are higher than 30% ACoS. Number 2. Enable your ads during hours with higher sales. Now, besides the fact that it can mitigate risks from bad actors from spam clicking on your ads during midnight, it can also, in some situations, improve your overall advertising performance. So for example, in one of the tests I have run, the 10 auto campaigns that I have created brought in less than $200 in sales with 38% ACoS. However, after I enabled the ads only during hours with higher sales, my sales went up by more than 4 times and my ACoS reduced to 11%. To find out your optimum hours to enable ads, you can look at your business report. Simply find one of the days where you have decent sales and analyze their hourly trend. So in my case, you can see that my sales starts picking up at around 6 AM and starts dropping off at around 10 PM. So you can use this method to find out the hours to turn on your ads. Number 3. Add negative keywords and negative async. You simply identify poor performing search terms, such as those with 0 units and at least 20 clicks. Then you simply negate them. That's it. These are the 3 things you can do every day to optimize your auto campaigns. But what's the fun in that? Just look at Ivan. He's created a few thousand campaigns across 10 countries and he's loving it. You know why? Because he's using the really cool way to do it, which is to do nothing and let Scale Insights automate everything. So every day, Scale Insights will pause and enable his ads during certain hours. It will automatically stop bad performing campaigns. It will analyze search terms across thousands of campaigns across different countries and negate all the bad performing search terms. In 10 months, it has already negated for Ivan over 160,000 search terms that hadn't gotten him any sales. Imagine all the money he has saved, all the additional sales gain when all that traffic flows to his performing search terms. If you think this is cool, then wait till you see what I unveil in video 3. It's going to be way cooler. But now, it's time to walk you through, step by step, how you can create all that auto campaigns with all the automation set up in just 1 minute. For this, I'm going to hand over the time to my friend, Mervin.
How to get started in 1 minute? Very simple. Okay, so under the mass campaigns feature over here, I'll then be clicking into bulk auto campaigns. Okay, and over here, I'll just be doing for one ASIN, one example only. Okay, and I'll take this very first one, the jump rope. You will notice immediately the name pops up over there. Okay, let me just share with you or show you how will this setting look like. Okay, or what campaigns will be created for you with this setting over here. So I didn't change anything. Okay, and I just click on preview. Right, you now notice, okay, Scale Insights will potentially help you to create 10 different campaigns. Okay, because I've just, by default, it's just over here 10. So Scale Insights will help you to create 10 different campaigns, which will be then transferred into your Seller Central account when you click on the execute button. So what this does, okay, it helps you to create 10 different campaigns, and each of them stagger of 10 cents, right? If you look into this default bid column, right, the very first campaign that will be created is 50 cents, 50 cents bidding. Okay, 60 cents all the way until the 10th campaign at 140. Okay, so what is the objective over here, right? So the objective of this strategy over here is to actually get Amazon's different tiers of traffic, right? So at 50 cents, I might be getting maybe a list of 5 keywords, right? At the bidding at 110, I might be getting another different list of keywords, right? The things here I don't know, so I need to try. So this is the objective of the bulk auto campaigns, where you actually get Amazon to discover keywords for you. And what's the end goal? It's just that you want to discover whatever that is working for you, right? Say I've got essentially keyword XYZ. Okay, and then from that keyword XYZ, I know is performing search term, I will then target it with the manual campaigns. Okay, that's simple. All you have to do is just click on your ASIN, okay, and then click on preview. Okay, there's many different settings over here. Okay, I think the thing that is not found in Seller Central is this one. Right, over here, let's say if I select 20, okay, Scale Insights can just create 20 different campaigns that quickly for me. Okay, so it's just that simple. So that is the extra feel that you don't find in Seller Central. This is where the robots come in. Okay, how to actually assign the robot when you want to create your campaigns. Okay, they are the Discovery Auto as well as the Bulk Auto robot. When I create multiple auto campaigns, okay, the bulk auto robot is what I usually assign. Okay, so all I have to do, click preview, and the moment I hit on the execute button, this set of campaigns will then be active in your Seller Central. Okay, so that's just how to get started in 1 minute.
So now that you have learned how to create the bulk auto campaigns, it is time for you to execute and take massive action. You want to start getting some data going because we are going to show you how to use those data and take it to the next level. We've got some powerful knowledge for you in video 2, 3 and 4. I will take you behind the scenes to unveil what's creating results for my team right now. In video 2, I will review the secret sauce to boost your organic sales. This is not about doing promotions, not about giveaway, it's not about doing search find buys, it's not about spending massively on advertising to rank keywords. It is about the science of marketing. It is the science of producing results. It will be chock full of actionable insights and meaty takeaways that you will be able to implement right now. Once you understand the concept and focus on just one single thing, you can significantly increase your success rate, create some serious wins, and achieve massive breakthroughs. In video 3, I will unveil our advertising blueprint. If you have ever wondered how to structure your advertising campaign and to automate your advertising, I'm going to show you exactly how we set up our advertising campaign. I'm also going to teach you the optimization strategies that are bringing us profits. I will also show you how you can clone whatever we are doing and apply them into your own business with just a few clicks. In video 4, I will be covering ranking strategy. I will unveil real knowledge that we have learned from the scars on our back and the holes in our pockets. I'll be sharing a case study and all the mistakes that we have made that caused us to lose a lot of money. So here's a hint. Many sellers are making this same mistake. I will be sharing sustainable ranking strategy that turn our advertising dollars into profits. So my friend, this is the end of today's training video. In the meantime, I'll appreciate it if you share this video with your friends. I'm sure it's a lot more rewarding when they join you in this journey. I'll see you in video 2 and we'll speak soon.